Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Boasting an outdoor swimming pool, a garden, and a spacious backyard is this charming 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom, villa-style house which sits on half-acre of land. Some other features include grilled living area, dining, nicely laid out kitchen, and ceiling fans throughout. Ideally located in the quiet upscale community of Ironshore, St. James, in close proximity to shopping plazas with restaurants, banks, and shopping. The international airport is approximately 10 to 15 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. Two walk like two out the door. Then you have magic.
The asking price for this house is US 950,000 or Jamaican $146.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.